All right, we are visiting the Zion floor plan offered by Meritage Homes. So this home is already sold. We were actually fortunate enough to be able to get in it before the owners come and see us here and kick us out. The lights are not on, so unfortunately I can't give you the full view that you also deserve, but we're gonna do what we can. So we're gonna start downstairs. Off to the left of the front door, once you come down the hallway, you've got the first bedroom, which is I hate using the word, but it's one of those awkward shaped rooms, meaning you can do a bedroom here, but it's going to be weird because of how the room sits. So there's the closet there, there's the door. So you don't want to put a bed there, obviously, because the door's right there. So ideally you would want to put a bed either here or here. If you put one there, it's against your window. If you put it here, it cuts off the room. So that's what I meant by awkward. You could get a full-size bed in here probably, but it's going to make the room weird, and then it's going to take away from what you can do to it. So I'm trying to give you a visual perspective of the room without you actually being here. So is this a functionable room? Absolutely. Does it make a better office? Probably so, than it does a bedroom, just because of how it's shaped. But you can get a bed in there, and there's a closet, so that it makes it a bedroom. So that's bedroom number one. Again, the lights are out, so we can't really turn anything on. Here's going to be the bathroom downstairs with its own shower, tub, and sink. You got a closet here for all your linens downstairs. Well, not even linens, for your downstairs stuff, with your vacuum and coats and stuff like that. So that's going to be that closet there. Here is out to the garage. And the garage, again, I can't turn the lights on. I'm so sorry about that. But the garage is actually, you might be able to get 2 cars in there easily. It does look wider than the previous garages that I've seen, but it's definitely a 2-car garage. So next to the garage door, when you come in, here is going to be your under the stair closet. That's also a hall. What do you call it? It's not one of those Harry Potter rooms, but it's functional space. Even if you wanted to make this into like a pet room, if you took this door down or something like that. So you can use that space for sure. I'm going to swing back around so you can see how far we are from the front door to the living room area here. And then we're going to swing back around so you can actually see the living room. So here's your living room area here. And again, this is a living room, dining room, kitchen combo situation. So there's the slider door. So it's plenty of light. As you can see, I don't have any lights on, and you can see, and it's cloudy out, and you can still see very well because it's very well lit right now. So we're in the living room. There is the kitchen over there. Plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinet space. There's your walk-in pantry. And we're going to back all the way up, again, to give you that perspective of how much space you actually have in your downstairs area. So I'm in the back. For example, if I were the television, that's me, I'm the television. Here's how much space you've got to the kitchen area. And then from there, we're going to head upstairs and show you what the upstairs has to offer. So we are now upstairs in the Zion floor plan. You do have a loft up here, so plenty of space to make this into a living room situation, or den situation, actually, not even a living room. And the bedrooms are actually well spread out, so everybody has their own privacy, which is very, very cool, to say the least. So here's bedroom number 1 upstairs. So we've got bedroom number 1 downstairs. We're not going to count that one right now. We're upstairs in bedroom number 1 upstairs. So bedroom number 1 upstairs has its own bathroom. There's the double sinks. There is your shower. Separated toilet room. Water closet, whatever you want to call it. Ooh, look at the closet. It's got an open closet, which is pretty cool. So this is actually, I think this is the primary. So you're walking this floor plan with me for the very first time. I think this is the primary. If this is the primary, again, give you an idea. if you put a king size bed in here, you're gonna eat it up. So a queen size would be ideal, but you can do a king size. It's just gonna be tight, but you can do it. You can for sure do it. So that's the primary, and that's the one that's right off of the stairwell. So here is the laundry room. So primary bedroom, swing it around, laundry room. Laundry room gives you plenty of space to roam. We're going to swing back around. Here is a linen closet right next to the laundry room. On the other side of the linen closet, we've got bedroom number 2 upstairs. So this bedroom is big enough to definitely do a queen size bed. I'm in the corner of the room now. There's your double door closet. I'm all the way in the corner of the room. So you got plenty of space for everything you need to put in here for sure. And that's upstairs bedroom number 2. So we're going to swing back out into, what is this called? The loft. There you go. I'm losing my bearing. So that is bedroom number 2. This is bedroom number 3. So I stand corrected. There are 4 bedrooms up here. So this is a 5-bedroom home. So we're going to go to the corner of this bedroom, bedroom number 3 upstairs. There's your double door closet. And again, a queen size bed is easy up here. So if you're looking for a house with space, this one has it. But it's spread out evenly amongst everybody. So nobody's getting the lion's share of the space here. Here's the double sinks in this hallway closet. There's your tub there, toilet there. And then here is that final bedroom here, which is bedroom number 4. So I'm going to take back what I just said. Whoever gets this bedroom is going to get the short end of the stick. This is the smallest bedroom upstairs here. Bedroom number 4. It can still do, I think you can do a queen size in here. You're going to probably lose a little walking space, but you can do a queen size in here. So I stand corrected. It looked small. I think it's my perspective maybe. No, it's not. It's not my perspective. This room is small. You can do a queen size, but you're going to have limited space between, if you put that bed there and it comes out between there and here, you're going to have limited space. But if you did a day bed, bunk bed, full-size bed, that type of thing, I think you'll be fine. So plenty of space in this room. It's just smaller than the other 2 that we just saw. So take back what I said. All the rooms are not made equal in this house. But even still, it's a beautiful home. It's got everything you need if you have a larger family or if you just like space. This is definitely the floor plan you want to consider. Again, this is the Zion offered by Meritage Homes. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes, call me at 623-207-7146 and I will be glad to answer them. Have a great day. Thanks again for joining me. Bye.